In each case, the roots of a quadratic equation where a is equal to 1 are given. Write the equation in the form x minus m, x minus n is equal to 0, and in general form too. Alright, keep in mind these signs right here. That will be useful because that will affect the signs in front of the roots. Basically what's happening is you're going to flip the sign so it's opposite when you factor these out. Alright, so we have two brackets. One is going to be x plus 7, and that's what I mean by flipping the signs. And the other one, well, that's a positive one, so it's going to be x minus 1. This is equal to 0, it's a quadratic equation. And we can turn this into general form by foiling it. So x times x is x squared. Then you have your outside, which is x times negative 1, which is negative x. And then your inside, which is going to be 7x. And your last, which is going to be negative 7. Working this out, this is going to be x squared plus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. That's your first one. Next up, you got b, you have negative 2 and negative 3. Set up your brackets and keep in mind that these signs are going to be switched. So it's going to be x plus 2 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then all you need to do is FOIL it to figure out the general form. So x times x is x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Alright, collecting your like terms, you have x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, and that's your general form. Next up we have 0 and 4. Well, if you think about it in terms of brackets, that's x plus 0 and then x minus 4. Alright, and since it is 0, that's kind of redundant, so you can rewrite this out as x, and then x minus 4 is equal to 0. In general form, you're going to distribute the x into the brackets, and you're going to be left with x squared minus 4x is equal to 0.